Good morning guys and welcome back. So today we're going to be doing one of the most simple and easiest mods I've done yet on the JK. And to help us out today we've got my son Bailey. Now he's just turned 9 months, so he's not going to be too hands on today. Hopefully when he gets a little bit older we can start doing a few more mods together that are a bit more practical and try and get him involved a bit more. Also as he gets older we can take him on a few more adventures, hopefully get him out on some camping trips and start exploring the amazing country we do live in. So he's going to be helping us out today, and this is actually the first mod we've done together, and hopefully it's not the last. So just before we get started guys, comment below what are the most simple and easiest mods you guys have done on your four-wheel drive. Simple mods sometimes get overlooked when you're talking about your build or when people are checking out your vehicle. A lot of people just look at suspension lift, or what kind of lift you got, what size tyres you're running, how much flex you can get. But these easy mods that come in handy on a daily basis are actually sometimes more important. So comment below what are some of the most simple mods and easiest mods you guys have done to your four-wheel drive. So owning a Jeep is amazing because you can take your doors off, you can take your roofs off. In Australia it's sort of illegal to have doors off in a JK. You can kind of get away with it in a TJ and older four-wheel drives like the CJs and stuff like that. But if you come across the wrong cop, you want to be sort of as legal as possible. So there's always that debate of, I don't know if this is in all countries or it's just Australia because we've got some whacked out laws, but it's always that debate, what mirrors do I run? Do I run like mirrors all the time, get rid of my factory ones, run external ones, what is it? So this is not an original idea, I didn't come up with myself. I've seen this posted on Facebook a couple times, but I thought I'd make a video about it and also do it on my Jeep as well. So what we'll be installing today is blind spot reflection lens. They're actually supposed to sit on your mirrors there so you can see in your blind spots. Now Jeep JKs have these great little vents, round vents here, and you can actually flip them inside out. And TJs don't actually have them, they've got like a vent that runs down like that, so you can actually do this. So on the JK it's almost a perfect size to have this lens sitting here. As you can see, I'll show you a better shot later, you can actually adjust that to the angle, the height and everything else you want by moving that vent around. So we're just going to be installing that today. Now these are cheap. These ones I got were $2 from a company in Australia called Silly Sollies. $2. I couldn't even find them cheaper than that on Amazon or eBay. You enjoying your first mod? I couldn't even find them cheaper than that on eBay or Amazon. I think they're like $10 or $15. I'll try and leave a link below, but so many different retailers sell them. You go to like a $2 shop, any of those cheaper stores, they sell them and they work so well. So all it is a adhesive, like a 3M tape on the back. We'll just peel that off and just stick that on. So simple. All you'll need is a cloth or an alcoholic wipe. Give that surface a quick wipe down. Make sure there's no oils from your hands and something, so you get a good adhesive backing when you stick it on, so it's not going to fall off inside the vent. You can actually take these vents out, so it's easy to get behind there if you do fall it. Now I had a few people, I saw a post on Facebook about these, and a few people were like, oh no, they're not good. They'll, when you got your heater on, they deteriorate, the glue will weaken. Maybe. I live in a hot country, so I've got my aircon on pretty much all year round, so I don't think I might have that problem, but maybe be mindful of that if you do live in a cold country. You might have heat blasting at that that backing all the time. Maybe give it a go and see how you go, but super simple. What we'll do, we'll just peel that backing off. Now as I said, this is Bailey's first mod. Peel that backing off, super simple. Give that another wipe down because I touched it with my hands. A few people will be coming, oh no, you wiped it down, then you touch it with your hands again. A lot of the products I use inside the Jeep are non-silicone based, so you don't really have trouble with sticking things down. So you got one base and then you got the reflective side on there. It's actually not bad, for $2 that's pretty damn good. So we'll try and cinch that up as much as we can. And there, give it a firm press down, and for some reason, I don't know what Australian laws, but let me know what you guys' laws are in your country, but for some reason it's more illegal to run no doors in a JK than it is a TJ. Someone said about side intrusion bars, something, and someone said if you can stick your arm out with no protection, that's illegal, but that doesn't really make sense to me. So, a couple of friends of mine, we've been driving around with no doors on, he's driven past a few cops and haven't had any problems, but it's kind of one of those things that you might get the wrong cop, and they might give you a bit of hassle and might give you a bit of a fine. So, that mod is done. What do you think, Bailey? What do you think of the new mod? You like it? You want to see more? Yeah? Yeah, you like the new mod? So, we've stuck that down. We've given that a firm press. It's not going to go anywhere. And if you don't like it, okay, so you can actually adjust that. You can turn it either way. And you can see Bailey there. Hey Bailey. And you can see cars coming. So instead of having an external mirror like the stock ones, it's nice and sleek. It's not sitting outside the car, and it's nice and sleek. So simple and so easy. Yeah, you can see Daddy in the mirror. And if you don't like it, say you put your doors back on, so you've got your original mirrors, it might be a bit annoying having that there. What you can do is just flip that vent the opposite way, and you're good to go. Now you're back to factory. When you want it again, you got the doors off, just flick it the opposite way, and you're good to go again. So simple and easy. And I absolutely love mods like this, and this is what the channel is all about. Doing cheap, simple, easy mods like this that saves everybody money, like $2. So simple and easy, and probably took 5 minutes. Probably took 5 minutes, didn't it, Bailey? Yeah, probably 5 minutes of our time. And we got mirrors on our Jeep all the time. Say you're at a mate's place, you're like, oh, wish I could take my doors off, but I don't have any mirrors on me. Yes, you do. You got them on you all the time. So simple and easy. I don't know if you guys can see in there. Simple and easy. But as I said before, guys, comment below about the most simple and easy mods you guys have done. It might be something that someone else hasn't done or hasn't thought of before, but could really come in handy either on daily use or when out forward driving. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.